Hey guys, today I am with the lovely Anpu.
Hey guys.
We are going to be doing some in-camera double exposure photos, which is quite a mouthful, but it looks really cool, or hopefully it looks really cool. This is what we're trying to go for. And hopefully we can produce the same kind of photo.
I'm really looking forward to what you're going to come up with.
Yeah. So first of all, we're going to take a photo of Anpu in front of a white wall, a little bit overexposed. And then we're going to take photos and explore, maybe take a photo of a flower or take a photo of the skyline and see if we can get that.
And this skyline is also bomb.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So once you've taken the photo that you're going to use, you're going to click the top left hand button that looks like a paintbrush inside a rectangle, slide across to multiple exposure and change the top setting to on function/control. The second setting to bright, and you're going to go to the bottom and select the photo that you'd like to use. Once you've picked your photo, click set, then click OK. Then you're going to click the top right hand button that says start/stop, and then you should be able to see the photo that you've picked as a silhouette with the photo that you're about to take on the screen. Line it up, and then once you're happy, press the shutter button. And hopefully you'll have a perfect double exposure photo. So I went to the lovely supermarket that is Tesco. There are other brands available and brought this sunflower.
The best place to get sunflowers, actually.
Yeah, I mean, look at this sunflower though. I got a whole bunch for like £3.
Why don't you grow your own? Shocking.
Well, I'm not a good gardener. But we're going to try and put this lovely flower inside of lovely Anpu's face. Yeah. Like this.
Emma, I love these pictures. Yeah. Thank you so much for them.
They'll be on our Instagram accounts, which you can follow here somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to put it.
Put it somewhere.
But yeah, I'm really pleased with how that turned out. And if you manage to do it, then please tag me in any of the photos that you do on
Definitely,
Instagram.
we'd love to see them.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and go and check out Anpu's channel. The link is in the description. He has a very funny video of him teaching me how to speak Tamil.
And like Emma's like officially like bilingual now, just saying.
Yeah, just saying. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye guys. This is gonna make such good content. Oh my god. I'm so jealous.
Oh my god. Hello.
And also the depth of field means you can't even see your face.
Oh
yes!
no, that's horrible.